Hi dear friends, welcome back again. In this video I will show you how to set limit charging to 85% on Galaxy device. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel and support. First, open settings. Once you are in the setting, scroll down and make sure your phone is updated. So let's check it. Go to software update page and tap on download and install and wait to check any update available or not. Your phone is older version, so make sure to update it from the later version. Or if your phone is already updated, that's great. Now open device care. After this page, go to battery. Here you can locate it and open battery protection. Maybe this feature is turned off, so tap on it to turn it on. After that, choose the maximum option. Here you can see the 4 different charging limit such as 80%, 85%, 90%, 95%. Choose the option is set. For example, choose 85% and you are successfully set limit charging to 85%. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.